Many people have been driving for 10 years, but they still don't know how to use the air conditioner buttons. Let me teach you. First, when driving in summer, turn on the air conditioner, turn on the internal circulation. It's so cool in the car. Second, when driving in winter, turn off the air conditioner and turn on the external circulation. The way the glass won't frost. Third, when there's a traffic jam, turn on the air conditioner, turn on the internal circulation. In this way, the exhaust gas from the outside of the car will not enter the car. Fifth, when driving the wind, turn on the air conditioner, turn on the external circulation and adjust the blowing mode to blow glass. The way the glass will fog out. Follow me and learn driving skills every day.